Just got my hands on the new Casio Edifice C110D, and if you're interested in getting one for yourself, the purchase link in the description. Let's unbox it. Right off the box, the watch looks incredibly premium with its stainless steel bracket, bold black dial and eye-catching green accent. What makes this model stand out, it is analog digital design, giving you the classic look of a traditional watch packing in useful digital features. You get world time, a stopwatch countdown timer, 100-meter water resistance, and an amazing 10-year battery life, making it a great everyday companion. On the wrist, it has a sporty and confident presence without feeling too bulky. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish, feature-packed with that offers excellence value for money, the Casio Edifice C110D is definitely worth. And again, if you want to buy one, you will find the link in the description. Thank you guys.